Hello friends, in a country with a population of around 150 crore, approximately 45 crore people have their savings account with the SBI. However, out of these 45 crores, only 6 crore individuals have their Demat account with the SBI bank. The possible reason for this could be a lack of trust with the SBI or a perception that Demat accounts may not be favorable. All these details will be explored in a video where I will provide a review of SBI Cap Securities, discussing both its benefits and also its drawbacks. So let's start the video. My name is Mahima Sarma and you are watching Tortoise Investors. Now, let's talk about the advantages of SBI Security. First and foremost, the name SBI itself instills trust, being India's most trustworthy bank. As I mentioned earlier, over 45 crore people have accounts with SBI, and beyond that, many choose SBI Cap Securities for their Demat accounts. One notable benefit is it provides 3-in-1 Demat account where your savings, trading and Demat account are open together. This setup allows seamless buying and selling, access to a loan and insurance options. Additionally, you can benefit from various FDs and also the other plans of SBI. Creating a Demat account with the SBI Security also grants you a dedicated relationship, a dedicated manager who addresses all your concerns. You can contact them anytime without enduring long waiting time. They have streamlined grievance redressal process with 4 levels, ensuring quick resolution within 2 working days. Despite being a bit challenging for a customer, this system emphasizes transparency. SBI Security also offers an extensive branch network across the India, providing the options to visit a branch for the issue resolution, which is beneficial for those who may not be comfortable with the online process. For those who is less familiar with the online operations or who prefer offline interaction, the branch network feature proves advantageous. Moreover, when you open a Demat account, you receive stock recommendations. If you are unsure about which stocks to buy or sell, SBI Securities, being a full service broker, excels in providing such stocks recommendations, making it a more comprehensive choice. Certainly, let's discuss its disadvantages. Firstly, there are substantial charges associated with SBI Securities. While the account opening charges has reduced to 500 rupees plus GST and annual maintenance charges, that is called AMC, of around 500 rupees per year is applicable. Although there is a mega plan offering free AMC for the first year, subsequent years incur charges. In terms of a brokerage charges, they operate on a percentage basis. For equity delivery, you need to pay 0.50%, and for equity intraday and option, there are flat brokerage charges of rupees 100 and rupees 50 respectively. Moreover, in currency and commodity charges, they are also percentage based. These brokerage charges combined with the relatively high accounts opening charges might be a significant consideration for the potential user. Therefore, this is an anti-barrier broker. Here, there are only 6 lakh Demat accounts despite having a potential of 45 crore users. Apart from this, there are also some disadvantages. Their mobile app has a rating of 3.9 star, which is quite low compared to average rating. Although their mobile app is somewhat not technical friendly, you won't find advanced technology on their platform. I also checked their website, but there is no margin calculator or brokerage calculator. Additionally, if you trade with margin, you won't get any margin for the delivery. Only intraday trading allows for margin. Moreover, if you buy penny stocks, their charges are different and considerably higher than the other charges. One last disadvantage is that before opening an account, you won't find any customer services here. I tried to contact them, but I couldn't get any touch. My experience with them was not good, as I have gathered all this data with great difficulty. So, in this video, I have provided all the advantages and all the disadvantages. So subscribe to our channel for the similar video, and now you can make decision if you want to open your account in the SBI, or if you don't, then you can't. So see you in the next video. Until then, goodbye and take care.